Okay, I'm making a custom shell for Oliver. This does not require decals, but I encounter a problem. Basically, it's not a problem. It's some work that needs to be done. This one fits Trackmaster Percy chassis. Now the print comes green, just the shell, just the top. Now it requires to paint the roof and the funnel. I mean the smoke, yeah, the funnel and the smoke box. So then I added these prints. I know the numbers might look bigger, but it's a toy. And that's the limit of the printer I own at the moment. There's no other way that I can make it smaller. Otherwise, it does make it makes a very bad print. So in order to achieve this finish, this look, I had to print the part separately. As you can see right here, like a little medallion, little disc. Same with the numbers. Now the numbers do require to paint. No, this is not the one. Right here, a sample, right there. The center of it, the number, the outline, it's all, as you can see, it's red. And then we just paint with a marker. But the problem is painting those little tiny details takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. So I might make just one. And then we need to glue them on this shell. And the face is ready to go. This is being primed and needs the paint. The final painting on this model. See, that's the problem with this shells. It is not easy task. It requires a lot of work. I also added something new to these shells. See the back right here, the core, it's a print. It's another print. Takes time also, and then you need to glue it and blah blah blah. So I might work something out on these things. Maybe not to paint. Yeah, probably I'll do something available, some final finish, and others just plain, because I mean it takes time. For those who been asking me for a long time about these models, yeah, it's it's a nightmare to paint or create the whole thing. Yes, you can create it, you can finish it, but it's a heavy time consuming. I do not recommend to make it multiples. No, not good idea. So I had to paint this rooftop with acrylic, this one right here. Then I need to add a clear coat of paint so we don't get this scratched off. Same on the front area where the funnel and the smoke box is. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people who do detailing, but I just came up with this idea to creating this logo and the number 11, and it's really time consuming just to paint the center of it, of this number 1, but it's really nice. I mean, it looks nice. Oliver Trackmaster fits on a Tomy, Mattel, and Toy chassis. I'm talking about the old models. I don't work with the new ones, but that's what we have so far, and just a few, not a lot.